What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about recession-proof crypto, okay? Before we get down to it, I'm going to give you guys my 4 picks, and then we're going to look at this article where CryptoVibes.com points out their top 4 cryptocurrencies to buy during a recession. There's going to be a little discrepancy with my top 4 list, but I'm going to share theirs, and then I'm going to talk about mine, and then I'm going to want to know your guys' thoughts down below in the comments. But before we get into it, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's drop your comments down below on your top 4 cryptos. So with that being said, let's get into it. So here's CryptoVibes.com's article about their top 4 cryptocurrencies to buy during a recession. Let's preface this discussion and let's actually do a quick Google search to define what a recession is. Okay, so here you go. Based on the Google definition of recession, it is a period of temporary economic decline during which trade and industrial activity are reduced, generally identified by a fall in GDP in 2 successive quarters. Okay, so political beliefs aside and propaganda, if you will, we are in a recession. Okay, this is the letter of the law definition of a recession. So technically, this article and this video will provide some good insight in why you would want to buy these 4 cryptos during a recession. Okay, so here we go from Crypto Vibes. They're talking about these are the best recession cryptos to buy for strong returns. So they list Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and Avalanche. Okay, so we're all familiar with Ethereum, with their metaverse, NFTs, DeFi. Okay, so that is all the Ethereum blockchain, hosting over 3,000 dApps, which is the huge market of total market share with dApps on the Ethereum platform. Okay, so Ethereum is a great long-term investment for investors to purchase during a recession, due to the fact also that the amount of transactions and volume that happen on the Ethereum blockchain as 2022 ends and their network is upgraded with the merge protocol, and that's all finalized with Ethereum 2.0 is finalized, and we have a fully finished, highly scalable, efficient, and sustainable blockchain. Okay, so depending on if you're a Bitcoin maxi or an Ethereum bull, it's kind of splitting hairs if you're just going to be an investor and figure out which crypto you would want to hold long term, Ethereum or Bitcoin. So let's look into Bitcoin. But to go back, their outlook on the price prediction for Ethereum hitting the 16,401 mark, although nice, that is kind of very bullish for the next 5 years. However, hitting 4,000 level in 2020, 2021, in my opinion, was very bullish, and that was accomplished. So, but let's talk about Bitcoin, okay? So Bitcoin, due to their supply, okay, that's what makes Bitcoin attractive to me, okay? So we hit the 60,000 level earlier this year, okay, and it has kind of been a roller coaster with the way that 2022 is ending. Now the discussion is that resistance with that floor also that we are seeing at like the 20K level. Okay, so that's a huge fall from where we were at with all-time highs in relation to Bitcoin. So obviously the market cap of Bitcoin is the mothership of all cryptos when it comes to market share due to their market cap. But for a nice long-term sustainable investment, especially for people who don't want to trade and they just want to have their foot in the game when it comes to crypto, Bitcoin as well as Ethereum are probably the 2 safest long-term plays, especially when regulation takes full effect later on in the year or the next 2 years with the political discussion surrounding crypto unfold. Okay, so their prediction for Bitcoin is 64,000 by the end of 2023. So that climb I could see happening just because in 2022 we did hit the 60,000 mark. However, their possible scenario crossing the $100,000 line is kind of like, that's kind of the level everybody wants to see Bitcoin test. Okay, and if Bitcoin could ever hit 100K, watch out, because that will be some serious weight and momentum for all of crypto. and we definitely would see a huge bull run in that event. So with that being said, let's get into their third crypto, Solana. Okay, so Solana experienced some unexpected growth and is, my opinion, one of the most volatile cryptos that there is. Solana can go up 20, 30% and down 30% in the same day. It is a very, I would say, an upgraded version of Ethereum as a competitor. But with Ethereum 2.0 being unveiled, Solana is kind of, being challenged as the challenger to Ethereum. Okay, so they're going to see some growth in 2023 with what they're doing, expanding their blockchain with their scalability being fast, cheap, and quick and efficient. Okay, so otherwise known, they're going to call this the Visa. It's otherwise known as the Visa of crypto networks. Okay, just because of the speed they can do. Okay, from a transaction standpoint. All right, so unveiling new projects and development and adoption of Solana and their blockchain is definitely something where you could see their efficiency come to the forefront of crypto as we develop into 2023. So they're expecting their future by the end of 2023 to get to $676. That is extremely bullish. Solana was up in the hundreds, and that was kind of like a profit for most. I personally know somebody who got Solana down at the $10 level. Okay, so that was a pretty good hold on their part, and that just goes to show you where if you take that long-term outlook when it comes to crypto, really anything's possible. It maybe not so much like the $1, expectations for a lot of meme tokens, but for more of these blue chip top 10, top 25 cryptos, anything is possible. So, and to round it out, they mentioned Avalanche. Okay, so Avalanche kind of took the market by storm. They had a couple really good months, and it is a highly appealing growth coin for 2023. Okay, so they have a lot of big name collaborations, featuring transaction speed, real world adoption, and that is why Avalanche is a great buy during a recession. Okay, so they're more positive in Avalanche for the long run, forecasting at $284 a coin in 2025, up from $102 in 2022. So almost 300% in 3-year time period. Okay, so this is more of a developmental growth investment. However, with patience and the right market conditions, all of these 4 cryptos could prove to be very high rewarding long-term investments. So with that being said, I just want to mention to you guys, and then we'll, if you watch my videos, you'll see which coins I talk about most, and I will mention that I am Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, and Cardano. Those would be my 4 if we had to get into the top 4 in my book to have long-term investments and holds in my wallet. Not financial advice. That is just my wallet and my long-term plays. So let me know what you guys think about those 4, my 4, and I'd love to hear your 4 down in the comments. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video, and we will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.